Hey there, guys and gals of the world. Today, Kaikane is going to talk about the nitty-gritty details of why Tokyo is the best place to teach English in the world. Hopefully, what I say in this video, what you read in my book, watch in my other vids, and the advice that you get through my consultation services will help you become aware of the fact of why exactly Tokyo is the best place to teach English in the world, and why it's one of the best places to make a good amount of cash teaching English, or a foreign language for that matter. First off, in Japan, if you are a native English teacher or a native speaker of a language you want to teach and have a 4-year degree, then guess what? You can absolutely teach here in Tokyo. And no, you don't need to have majored in the English language or whatever other language it is that you are teaching. And for you NES native English speaking teachers, no, you don't need a stupid scamming CELTA or TESOL certificate either. Save your damn time and money. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, the Japanese need you, want you, and crave you. Also for you dudes, if you're a sexy young buck who just graduated or are a choi wadu and an older sexy gentleman, then you have got it made. The chicks here in Japan will be lining up to study with you dudes without a doubt. For you hot chicks, then you also have it made as well, as there are tons of rich and sexy Japanese dudes who want to be studying with you as well. They will definitely wine you and dine you as long as you have what it takes and look your best. Life is fun and crazy in Tokyo, and it is all what you make it out to be, guys and gals. Tons of friends have succeeded here, and also tons have failed. It is a make it or break it place, just like Hollywood, New York City, or any other cool and sophisticated place that can eat you alive. Be aware, be cool, and always be on top of your game. Oh, and the clubs here are crazy as well, and the DJs come from far away to drop crazy beats and treats for your ears. The nightlife is exciting and much crazier than that place where you come from that you call home, such as London, LA, or wherever else it is. The towns of Tokyo will enlighten your minds, souls, and hearts. The people of Tokyo and Japan, for that matter, are cool, polite, gentle, and calm. The food is crazy, delish, and the shopping extravaganzas are infinite. American, Canadian NES teachers are preferred among the teaching crowd, and the Brits come in second. Other NES countries are okay too, so don't worry. However, the Japanese do prefer American, Canadian, and Brit teachers as a first and second priority. So, get your butts over here if you can and start making crazy money like I did back in the day when I was 21. You won't regret it, but wait just a damn minute. Do you really know how to get here from where you are now, and what to do to get here and get that awesome teaching job that you have been thinking about and always dreaming of? Most probably not. Anyways, that's what I'm here for, guys and gals. Don't forget that. And by the way, if you want further clarification on the NES native English speaking countries, then I'm going to tell you once more, but gosh, by now you guys should already know. Anyway, America, Canada, the UK, Wales, Scotland, Ireland, South Africa, New Zealand, Australia. That's it. Boom. Gotta go, yo. Got a hot date with this Japanese chick down in Roppongi. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen of the world, be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find the most awesome ESL teaching job abroad, and know where the best places on earth are to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then do not hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I do also provide resume, revamp, edit, and reference services that will definitely help you out on your journey of getting rich teaching English abroad. Have a great day, and stay tuned for more awesome vids. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.